Hey guys, Steve at Toolbarn.com. This year we're going to be hanging out in our backyards more than we have any other year. And it's a perfect opportunity to soup up your backyard, make it a lot cooler, make it a lot more fun for the family. And what I did to do that was make a tree fort for the kids. So let's take a look at the project. So the tree's kind of like two trees coming out of one really low stump. So what I wanted to do was kind of put it in the middle of those two. Used a 10-foot board, a 2x8. Basically the biggest bolts that they had at the hardware store is what we used. So I used my impact to drive those in, and we sandwiched two boards up there, made sure that they were level. After this is when we started laying down the rafters, starting doing the middle and the outside, and then we put the caps on each side. I used hurricane ties to secure it together, and then I drove nails down too. So then we also made the knee braces. I had my neighbor was outside, so I called him over and he helped me hold it up, and we got the knee braces on before we started putting up the actual deck. For the deck, I started from the outside and worked my way in and left a little bit of room in between each plank for drainage. And then I had to do some custom cuts on the inside with a jigsaw to leave room for the trunks to come through. For the railing, we use two 2x4s sandwiched together at 42 inches, connected them to the bottom of the rafters, and sunk bolts in it from two angles to make them nice and secure. On the long sides, I put them on the inside, and for the short ways, I put it on the outside. So as you can tell, it's not a tree house, it's a tree fort. From this angle, you can barely even see it, so that was kind of like the effect I was going for. I just think it's cool to have the kids experience like nature right in front of their faces instead of trying to, change it too much. I have a pulley up here on a higher branch with a carabiner and a bucket. This is great for bringing your tools up when you're up in here. You should do that probably one of the first things once you're getting the deck going. Here's the trap door. All it is put an extra board under here so the floorboards can still rest on there. And this one rests on the full board. With the rope ladder, I wanted to have extra sturdy. The kids are having trouble getting up, and I don't want it to be dangerous for no reason, so I installed this big metal bar. So that's my tree fort project. I'm not going to share any plans with you because I'm not a treehouse master builder or anything. The way that I got the plans was through combining different people's plans, watching different videos, reading different articles and blogs, and my neighbor gave me some advice. All kinds of things kind of came together to build a tree house. It's sturdy. I think it's going to work for a good 5 years at least. If I need to do some maintenance as the tree grows, I'm not afraid of doing that. I hope this inspired you guys to build something at your house. I think this summer is going to be like the coolest summer because everybody's going to be souping up their houses, doing home projects and making their backyards awesome. So if you guys need to load up on tools to get your next project going, you know where to go, Toolbarn.com. We always got awesome specials, all kinds of things, free batteries and free bare tools, all kinds of different specials. So make sure you check that out. And otherwise, stay safe, and thanks for watching.